I saw lights right there on the stairs. On the D times, there's someone's inside. There's all this guy. Welcome to Cecil Hotel.
Is this it? Alright.
There's a lot of people here today taking pictures outside the Cecil Hotel. But it's closed, they can't get in.
Look at the guy. I'll take your picture. And then he's gonna grab your camera and take off.
Don't trust him, the homeless guy.
Don't trust him.
It's closed. Oh no, he's yelling at them. Oh, it's
but get
open.
in.
Oh, can we get inside?
No. Don't go in there. Don't. That guy's gonna bang in the dollar.
Hey, pull your
How
pants,
do they
man.
in?
How do I get in?
I ain't got no money, man.
here in front of Cecil Hotel. It's not open. Are you going in here?
Huh?
Are you going in here?
No, they're not letting anybody in.
But I saw someone's going inside and just open the door.
Oh, they probably are because they're renovating it.
Oh, really?
It should totally be open because they can make all kinds of money right now.
Yeah. But it was open though.
Push it.
Because I saw people coming out.
Open it. Push it. Really? What?
No, it's locked.
What?
I saw people coming in and out. That's why I get out. Oh well. It won't open. So I saw people coming in out here, but now the door, it won't open. It won't open, guys. All right.
Why didn't it open for them?
Yeah, it won't open anymore.
Oh, wow.
So I tried to open the door. It's locked.
Trying to break in, huh?
I tried to break in. Don't do it. See, people are. See? It won't open, guys. Oh well. That's it, like me.
No.
So, guys, a lot of people here outside the Cecil Hotel. They are waiting to, I think, want to get inside. But I tried to open the door. It won't open. It's locked. So we're parking in front of Cecil Hotel, main lobby. So look at the people. They want to get in.
What's on?
It was open. So there's so many people waiting outside, want to get in inside the lobby. This hotel's getting famous, man. Didn't open so people can take videos, make some money. And I saw rats running over there.
Yep.
So we're back here at the Cecil Hotel for the second time, and we try to get inside. Looking weird. So we saw a light on the first window right there of the Cecil Hotel. We're in the parking lot. I don't know, we saw lights there inside, guys, on the first window. Creepy. Creepy. Weird. We saw lights right there on the stairs. On the D times, there's someone's inside the hotel. Right there on the second floor. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors right there. See the light right there, guys? And there's light up there too. On the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floor. There's light right there too. I don't know if you can see, but there's a light inside. Creepy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So we're back again for the second time here at Cecil Hotel the next day. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.